In this presentation, we're going to talk about the differences between a manager and a leader. We'll be talking about the traits that either of them have, and to that end, it will also give us a glimpse into what makes them different. Since this is such an exciting topic, I want to keep the introduction short and get started. So here we go. First and foremost, managers will focus on themselves, while the leader will focus on the team. A leader is someone who will delegate responsibility while taking on their own. They want to instruct people on a team as to what needs to be done, and they will be there if and when needed. A manager, on the other hand, will credit themselves for the success because they directed the team. If they fail, then they will blame the employees for failing to follow instructions. Sadly, this is where employees will resent them. And to that end, we segue into the next point, and that is managers are directors, while leaders are action takers. And yes, managers will direct people and tell them what to do while they do nothing. Meanwhile, leaders will take action themselves and can enlist the help of their employees to do other parts of the task. Of course, if there are other things that need to be done, a leader will delegate. They will give their team members other responsibilities. So it's important that you make sure you assign your employees tasks that you know they can do well and are competent in. Now, you're welcome to train them and show them how it's done if they don't know already. A leader can do their best to teach their team members something that can be a challenging task. They do this with the confidence that their employees will do it well, and it'll be like second nature. Next, leaders will hold achievements to a high regard, while a manager will care about the results. So again, a manager will focus less on the team and care more about the end result. If they succeed, the credit will be given to them. And of course, failure can occur and blame games get played. Leaders, on the other hand, will recognize the achievements of their team members and not just themselves. They will acknowledge those who performed a vital service in meeting certain goals. Leaders understand that there is hard work and dedication. They know that their team members possess that. Finally, leaders are innovators, while managers stick to the same old, same old. Indeed, leaders have the ability to think outside the box. If they struggle to find ideas, they'll rely on their employees or team members. And that can start with just a regular conversation. A leader may take notes, and ideas may start to form. For a manager, this isn't the case. A manager isn't as innovative and won't have the best ideas. Thus, they want to stick to the same old, same old. Again, they care more about results and couldn't care less if there are ideas being floated around. So it's always a good idea for leaders to think about what they can do going forward that can make things better for their business. As a result, there can be more profits, more growth, and a whole host of other things. With that in mind, this concludes this presentation. I hope you found some of the information to be quite eye-opening. It's a clear no-brainer that a leader will do a lot better than a manager.